So this is a video showing how I do a makeup exam for one student and not let everybody else see my assignment. So first I create a group, and if you come here on users and groups, you can create and manually enroll somebody, and this will be my group for makeup exam. And I could even add users. I don't think I have any students in this group. So right now this group is available, and if I were to add collaborate to them to let them oh, okay, I can't remember how to add collaborate, but right now I'm trying to here, maybe yeah, so they have collaborate available. I don't know that I want all these other ones, but they can record themselves. So then when you go to seriously? When you go to assignments, you can actually add an assignment. This is an assignment for one group, and that group will have just that one student. And so when you say group submission, here under submission details, you can say just this one group, right? So I guess, I don't know if you could do that. Individual submission, no. Individual submission, you have each person submitting in the whole class. This one, you only have this one group submitting. And that's it. So now this assignment is only going to go to one group. If you come here in users and groups, and you go under group, you can, when you add it, you can add that one student. It's the very last thing, add users. Obviously, I don't have users in this course yet, so it's for the fall of 2020. But here, hopefully, you have students. I can I? I don't know. Oh, maybe I can add myself. Here, submit. So submit. And now that's it. I have assignments here. I hope this helps.